the first thing, okay, everybody got this? Do you see letters, or if you see any images, I need you to remove them. Okay, so, but you should see empty slides. You might see images or text on the upper left. So let's open them up, please. All right, all you guys, please open it up. All right, the first method is the open method, okay? It opens the Finder. So when I tell you, okay, please go ahead and do screenshots, okay, of it. So everybody open up Photoshop. So obviously the open method involves the open button right here. So what I'd like for you to do, okay, and by the way, make sure you have your exercise files all set up. Okay, here it is right here. So make sure you're able to see all your exercise files. Take a minute or so to find them. Okay. 9:47, I'll give 9:40 seconds and pretty much 10 seconds. Okay, to find it. If you don't have them, you got to download them. Let me know. But you should have already downloaded them. Okay? Okay, open button. Press on open. Okay, and this is, so if you notice, when you open, what happens? Okay, this is how, it opens up the Finder. Okay, so what I'd like you to do, listen up, take a screenshot of exactly this. Command-Shift-4 or Command-Shift-3, and just do this and put that in the first slide. There you have it. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to move this in here. Okay, so what I want to see is the Finder right next to, okay, that's what it does. It opens the Finder. Let's go ahead and run right through this. Once again, I'm going to click on the open button. And then, using the exercise files, you can go to any image you want. It doesn't matter. Okay. Any image you like. Okay. And then go ahead and open it. Okay, so that's what it does. It opens up an image. Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, I mean, we have the exercise files available if you want to open up from there. I've been using that. So if you want to do that, that's fine. But yes, you can open up any random image that you like. It's all good. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and close it out. But that is, I should see this. The other one is the file open method when using a workspace. So let's go back into Photoshop. I'll go ahead and let me see if I have that. Nope, I don't have it. Okay, so, sorry, I should have kept it open. Okay. Shh. Listen up. All right, so the other one, the file open method, is only used during the workspace. What's the workspace? Okay, this is the workspace. When you see the toolbars, the menu, the layers over here, okay? This is the workspace. When I click on the home button, this is the home screen. When I click on the PS icon, that's the workspace. Why? Because that's where you do the work. Okay? So in File Open, when you click on File Open, click on File, Open, and then you've got, again, the folder structure. I'd like you to take a screenshot right here. Okay, so do this. File, Open. Right there, take a screenshot, Command-Shift-4 or Command-Shift-3. Command-Shift-4, there you go. It stays frozen, and just do that. And then put that into the second slide, please. There it is, okay? I need to be able to see the word open highlighted, okay? So do that, please. All right, now let's go on to the third one, right-click method, use Finder. Anybody need me to look over their shoulder? Anybody need me to help them? Okay. All right, so right-click method. Okay, so watch this, everybody. Everybody did this, so choose any image you'd like. I don't care which one. So I'm going to go ahead. So the right-click method is, of course, you choose an image, right-click, open with. Let me hold on. Before we do that, let me make sure that's right. Yeah, the right-click method. This is what professionals use. Right-click method, open with, and then this is what I like you to screenshot. Okay, right-click, open with, and then Photoshop, screenshot this one right here, please. So Command-Shift-3 or Command-Shift-4, whichever works best for you. Okay, let me show you again. Let me show you again. Okay, let me show again. Right, okay, so in your exercise files, right click. Okay, on anything, right click, open with, and this is where I want you to screenshot right here. Okay? Okay, and then you're going to go into here, insert image, upload, if you can, and it's usually in the desktop, okay? But in this case, it didn't make it to the desktop. I don't know why. Okay, so you should have something like this right here. All right, let me go around helping people. Okay, Christopher, you need help? The next one is called selecting multiple files using the command key. All right, you guys good? You guys good and ready? So let's say you have a whole bunch of images like you see right here. Okay, so if you anybody can tell me how to select all the images. Okay. Shift. David got it right. So in other words, if I want to choose all these, I can do Command A and all of them are selected. Or I can select the first one, there's my family, and then if I press Shift and hold this last one, everything is selected. If I want to select only the first and fourth and press and hold the Shift, I got that, see? However, what if I wanted to select second, third, and second, fourth, and sixth? How do I do it? The answer is right there on the slide. Command. So if you press and hold Command, there's 2, 4, 6. Okay? How do I import it? Right click, open with Photoshop. Everybody do that. So, but this is where I want you to screenshot, right here. This is it. Screenshot this one, please. Okay, do that. And that's what I want you to screenshot. I want to see multiple files being selected. Okay? All right, it is now 10:01. We're well ahead of time. So take your time and go ahead and do this. Once again, as I said before, click on the home button and then choose, guys, listen up. So I'm going to go to downloads, I'm going to go to intro. Okay, once again, if I want to choose several images like I did before, I bring this down to right here. Okay, there they are, and let go. And that's how you do it. Okay? All right, at this time, we're going to try something pretty interesting. Huh? Okay, let's try this. File, import from iPhone or iPad. Let me see if it works. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at this. It worked. Hold on, it worked. And let's see what happens. Did it work? There it is. There's the back of Laura's head, and so I go to import and I go to iPhone to take photo. Melissa, turn around. Oh man, Luke, you look weird. Sorry. Sorry.